Good afternoon, folks. Thank you for being here. My name is Mike Snipes. I am a partner along with Clint, and we represent Mr. Clendenin. As Clint mentioned, I do have 39 years in public service in this great country. Generally speaking, I'm extremely pro-law enforcement, pro-military, very, very proud of our great country, and have served it, I hope, with some degree of honor and duty for the last 39 years. But having served as a judge and looked at the facts of this case and compared it to the law, there are just some things that are wrong in this case. We start with the amount of bond that was set, $1 million in each one of these cases. That's far too excessive. Bond is not designed to oppress individuals. It's set so that we can make reasonable assurances that the defendant that's charged will appear in court and keep the community safe. It's not supposed to be meant to send a message, as this Justice of the Peace indicated. In addition, the arrest warrants in this case should have had individualized probable cause. There are very, very serious problems with that in this case. For one thing, the types of warrants that were used in these cases are what are called fill-in-the-blank warrants. That is, the only thing that was individualized in these warrants in these cases was the names of the various defendants. The rest of the probable cause is exactly the same. And if you look at that logically, that doesn't make a lot of sense. In fact, a lot of the courts in Texas have strongly criticized the use of fill-in-the-blank forms, and several cases, such as the Larson case and the Faulkner case, have specifically said that. Another thing that's wrong with these warrants: it's not illegal per se to have a Justice of the Peace sign an arrest warrant. However, that does lead to certain red flags. And what do I mean by that? Justices of the Peace do not have to be lawyers, and the one that signed these warrants was not. So, how would you expect a layman to be able to evaluate probable cause, a very, very serious legal standard, in a way that a lawyer could? Well, you wouldn't. So there's many, many red flags in this case. I suggest that the Department of Justice get involved in this case. I was a federal prosecutor for many years, very proud to have been in the department. They've got the kind of professionals that are needed to come down here and straighten this case out and to give some assistance. I thank you again for being here. I believe in Matt Clendenin and his cause, and he will speak to you now.